I therefore call on the Chancellor to confer this honor on him, and for the robe, yes.
By the authority vested in me as Chancellor of the University of Calabar, and in accordance with the provisions of the University Statute, I confer on you the honorary degree of Law Honoris Causa, with all the rights and privileges attached thereto. Congratulations, my brother.
We invite Honorable Visitor, Mr. Chancellor. The Senate of the University of Calabar has resolved that a honorary degree of Doctor of Educational Management, honoris causa, be conferred on Mrs. Uloma Godswill Akpabio. I therefore call on the University Orator, Professor Eyong Ubana Eyong, to present Mrs. Uloma Godswill Akpabio for her degree. Apologies, please. It's not properly written here, but her name is Mrs. Unoma Ekaite Unoma Godswill Akpabio. Mrs. Ekaite Unoma Godswill Akpabio.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I please have the privilege to invite to the podium Her Excellency Mrs. Ekaite Unoma Godswill Akpabio for her citation. Your Excellencies, distinguished academics, ladies and gentlemen, a successful and heroic journey to the pinnacle of success may be personal, but its impact is far-reaching on the entire society, profoundly inspiring and molding people, shaping and firming up the foundation for future generations to build on. This is the story of Her Excellency Mrs. Ekaite Unoma Godwill Akpabio, a fantastic Amazon that stands before this assembly today. In recognition of her phenomenal strides in leadership through the adroit and passionate mobilization, repositioning of the youth, particularly the women, for the realization of their full potential. Her Excellency Mrs. Ekaite Unoma Godwill Akpabio, former First Lady of the Great Akwa State, 2007 to 2015, wife of the incumbent President of the Senate, the uncommon transformer, distinguished Senator Godwill Akpabio, who in his own self is a distinguished humanitarian, advocate of social justice, a transformative leader in women and children's rights, and of course, a great Malabite. Our distinguished honorary, born in 1971, has consistently demonstrated an unwavering commitment to the upliftment of the vulnerable, advancement of gender equality, and promotion of sustainable economic development. Her educational journey began many years ago around Enugu, and of course, she earned a bachelor's degree in accounting education from the Abia State University, Uturu, and went on to distill her skills with various other trainings. As First Lady of Akwa State, Her Excellency Mrs. Akpabio redefined the office by pioneering impactful initiatives that have left indelible marks on governance and social welfare. In 2008, she founded the Family Life Enhancement Initiative, a structured intervention program designed to alleviate the plight of the underprivileged, particularly women and marginalized communities. Under her leadership, her NGO became an unparalleled model for social investment, setting a precedent for First Lady-led initiatives not only in Akwa Ibom State, but around our country. One of the hallmark contributions was championing the enactment of critical legal reforms aimed at protecting the rights of women and children. Her advocacy has led to the formulation and enforcement of laws that curtailed the exploitation of widows, eliminated the stigmatization of children accused of witchcraft, and safeguarded minors from being coerced into domestic servitude. These legislative strides were instrumental to fostering a more and just equitable society. We can go on about the strides of this great Amazon. Her commitment to women economic empowerment and political inclusion was equally very transformative. She vigorously campaigned for increased female representation in governance, resulting in the appointment of women to very high caliber profile positions such as deputy governor, head of service, chief judge, key ministerial roles, breaking history on gender issues. To enhance economic opportunities for women, she has spearheaded the Women in Agro-Entrepreneurship Development Program, through which 4,500 women received financial grants of 250,000 Naira each to establish sustainable enterprises. Additionally, her Green Brigade initiative created employment for over 2,500 women and youth, promoting environmental sustainability and providing economic stability. Her philanthropic intervention extends to criminal justice reform and prisoner rehabilitation. Recognizing the plight of those unjustly incarcerated for minor offenses, she instituted a free legal aid. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the power behind the uncommon transformer. I present to you an Amazon, an intellectual giant, a woman passionate for the transformation of our environment and our society, an exemplary mother. That which is good, and we see it in Her Excellency Ekaike Uloma Akpabio. My Chancellor, sir, may I invite the Chancellor of our great university to confer on her a doctorate degree in educational management.
By the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the University of Calabar, and in accordance with the provisions of the University Statute, I confer on you the honorary degree of Doctor of Educational Management, honoris causa, with all the rights and privileges attached thereto. Congratulations, Madam. God bless you.
Your Excellency, the Senate President, the representative of Mr. President, the representative of the Governor of Rivers State, of course, Rivers State, the representative of the Governor of 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 What is important is the river. The Chancellor, the Pro-Chancellor, a member of the Council of the University of Calabar, my esteemed fellow honorees, guardians, parents, and guardians, the Vice Chancellor, the Civil Senate, and academic staff of this great university, ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with gratitude, humility, and a deep appreciation for this remarkable honor bestowed upon me by the prestigious University of Calabar. To be conferred with an honorary doctorate degree in law from this institution, one of Nigeria's most illustrious citadels of learning, is an institution that I do not take lightly. This recognition reaffirms the enduring values of service, leadership, and dedication to the advancement of our society that this university fosters in all its pursuits. The University of Calabar has, for the past 50 years, distinguished itself as a beacon of academic excellence, nurturing generations of scholars, professionals, administrators, entrepreneurs, and captains of industry who continue to shape our world. The alumni of this institution are a testament to its commitment to intellectual excellence and nation building. It is therefore with immense joy that I now count myself as an integral part of this esteemed academic family. Permit me to specially appreciate the visitor to this university, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to advancement of higher education in Nigeria. The renewed hope agenda has indeed injected new life into our university system through landmark interventions that are transforming the landscape of tertiary education. The establishment of the Nigerian Education Loan Fund, NELFund, has provided much needed financial relief to students, ensuring that no willing mind is denied access to quality education due to financial constraints. Furthermore, the introduction of the Student Startup Innovation and Entrepreneurship Grants has empowered young minds to translate knowledge into impactful enterprises, while the removal of universities from the integrated personnel and payroll information system, it has restored financial autonomy to our institutions, enabling them to function with greater efficiency. Furthermore, the kind approval for the domiciliation of platform research funds within the respective institutions has equally strengthened the capacity for groundbreaking research and innovation. These bold and forward-thinking policies are undoubtedly positioning Nigeria's university system to meet the demands of the 21st century. As I receive this honor today, I'm reminded of the enormous responsibility that comes with it. It is a charge to remain steadfast in my contribution to national development, upholding the ideals of excellence and service as an inspiration to the next generation. Our nation undeniably faces significant challenges, but within those challenges lie boundless opportunities for transformation and progress. It is my firm belief that with visionary leadership such as is presently offered by President Tinubu and the unwavering and collective effort of all our sundry, we can build the Nigeria of our dreams, one where education is a formidable pillar for national prosperity, where our youth are equipped to compete globally, and where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive. I extend my deepest appreciation to the Vice Chancellor, members of the Governing Council, the Senate, and the entire University of Calabar community for finding me worthy of this distinguished honor. To my family, friends, colleagues, and well-wishers who have supported me through my journey, I owe you an expression of gratitude. As I proudly accept this honorary degree, doctorate degree, I do so with renewed vigor to contribute even more meaningfully to the advancement of education, good governance, and national development. Once again, I'm deeply humbled and honored by this recognition. The University of Calabar has written my name in its golden records, and I embrace this moment with great responsibility. May this great institution continue to thrive, producing leaders and innovators who will shape a brighter future for Nigeria and beyond.
Great Malabar! Great Malabar! Thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Your Excellency, please, my distinguished husband, the uncommon Senate President of the 10th Senate and Chairman of National Assembly, Your Excellency, the Governor of Cross River State, Your Excellency, the Minister of FCC, and my fellow awardees, the Chancellor of the University, our special guest representing the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, the Pro-Chancellors, please, all our professors, and the newly graduates, the PhD graduates, please permit me to stand on the already established protocol. Let me recognize especially my daughter, Akpabio, for finding time to come and support me, and my dear sister, Architect Ekene Ugwegede. I'm pleased, very, very pleased to accept this award by this prestigious University of Calabar that I've heard so much about from my dear husband, the distinguished Senate President. And anytime I hear him shout, the great Malabite and the answer action, I've been wondering when I will follow him to shout, the great Malabite. And that day has come. I want to thank the governing board of the university and the management, led by my senior sister, Professor Comfort Obi, Florence Obi, my apologies, ma. Just like the FCT minister said, Cross River, Rivers, Florence, and Comfort, they are the same thing. Our distinguished senators, from the Senate leader, Senator Bamidele Oyemi, to my brother from Patana, Senator Osita Ungu, Senator Ethan Williams, Senator Asuku Ekpeyon, my own brother from Matana side, Senator Nwebonyi, Senator Sam Sam, distinguished Senator Bob, Senator Karimi Steve,
and all the other senators, Senator Etaiman and Senator Basi Albert, and all the other distinguished guests, my brother-in-laws led by Chief Dubem Obazde. My family is deeply grateful for this, especially my children and those in my school. They know how devoted I've been to them, and they are especially thankful for this award. On my own, as the chairman of ADBN, this is in life. That is part of my contribution to this day's program. And I will join the distinguished FCT minister in whatever he wants to do for the university. We are going to discuss it as a team, that he will lead the team because he is the one with the deep pocket. So we are going to discuss on what we are going to do for the university, and he will lead us and we will follow. Thank you so much for this award. I really appreciate. May God bless all of us. May God bless you. May God bless the new graduates, and congratulations. Thank you.